Welcome back, guys. It's Quentin from Nutrient. Thanks for tuning in for another episode of Health Benefits Deconstructed. Now, before we get into it, I just wanted to ask you guys, if you guys been noticing you guys have been feeling tired, maybe you've noticed brittle nails, maybe you've had low energy, I'm going to go into my top 5 nutrient deficiencies and what to eat to fix them. All right, so coming in at number 1, iron. Iron deficiency, honestly, it's pretty common, especially in women. It can cause fatigue, weakness. So the secret ingredients to getting more iron: number 1, spinach, lentils, red meat, and to top it all off, you want to use vitamin C for better absorption. Number 2, vitamin D. Vitamin D helps with bone health and immunity. Many of us are deficient because, well, we don't get enough sun. Eat fatty fish like salmon. Eat some egg yolks, and don't forget fortified foods. Oh yeah, and go get some sun. My number 3, vitamin B12. B12 is key for nerve functions and energy. Vegans are especially at risk for this. You get vitamin B12 from eggs, dairy, or fortified plant-based products like nutritional yeast. Mighty number 4. We've all heard of it. Magnesium. Say it with me. Magnesium. Magnesium supports muscles and good old sleep. So try eating pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, and bananas to even out those levels. And last but not least in my top 5 deficiency list, the good old omega-3s. So, what is omega-3? Well, omega-3 has to do with your brain and your heart health. So how do we get more omega-3s? Chia seeds, walnuts, flax seeds. Also, if you don't like seeds, you can do sardines or salmon. Listen, guys, our body talks to us, but it's our job to listen to it. I'm Quentin from Nutrient, and I'll see you on the next episode of Health Benefits Deconstructed. Like and subscribe.